discussing about work power energy, and in this one, especially in this session, we are going to be discussing about of this work. Okay, right. Here this work is denoted with the W, and we are having of some basic equation, that is the work W is equals to F dot of S. Okay, this is the major concept about of this work equation part. Fine. Here see, observe of this one. We are having the equation for the work done is equals to F dot S. It is the F dot S. Right. It means it is one of the, it is related to the scalar product concept. Okay, right. And previously we have discussed about of the vector concepts completely. That is the vector product as well as the scalar product. Okay, right. Now, just I will recall about of this scalar product. Okay, let us consider this is the vector of A, okay, and this is the vector of B. Okay, sorry. Here these are all the two vectors we are having, and it is making some angle, that is the theta between the A and B. Now, how we are going to be defining the dot product? Okay, I am writing here, it is the dot product. Otherwise, we can say this is one of the scalar product. Okay, right. Now see here, it is the value of A dot B is equals to magnitude of vector A multiplication magnitude of B and the cos angle between of these two vectors. So how we are going to be defining of this one? It is the product of magnitude of two vectors multiplied with the cos angle between the two vectors. Okay, so this is the concept about of this dot product, otherwise the scalar product. In other words, we can write this one in one of the simplest form. It is the AB of cos theta. Also we are going to be writing of this one. And one more case, consider this is the bold letters, right. And next case, now I need the component of B, otherwise the component of A. Okay, so how we are going to be writing of that one? Once again, I am repeating of this equation in two different ways, that is A cos theta into B. We can mention of this one in this way. In other words, I can write off this equation as B cos theta into A. Okay, right. Here A cos theta means this is the component along of this B. Component of A along B, component of B along A. In this way we have to be, right. Now we are going to be writing of this equation in one of the completely in one of the clear manner, right. Now I need the B component along A. Okay, B component we required, so it is B cos theta is equals to what we need, B component, right. See here, so B cos theta is equals to vector A dot vector B is divided by, I am taking of this A into of this side, so it becomes as the division. So here I am writing of that equation as A dot B is divided by magnitude of A vector. This is the case. Okay, right. Now, anyhow we have discussed about of this equation part, but where is the component of this B in this given diagram? That is the important case now. Okay, right. Now coming to this, here I am going to be draw that one. This is the vector of A and this is the vector of B. So this is the angle between these two. Okay, fine. Now I am going to be writing the component of B. Okay, right. So from here to here. Okay, this is the vector of A from this origin point to up to this one, that is the vector A completely. Now what is the value of this one? This is the value of B cos theta. is the value of B cos theta. It means what is the projection of B on A? In this way also we can say the value of B on A otherwise. Okay, right. Now I am going to be talking about the another case, that is component of A on B, otherwise along B. Okay, so it is the value of component A. It means A cos theta is equals to A B is divided by magnitude of B. Okay, in exactly in this way we have to be, right. Now how we have to be, where is the location of A cos theta? Okay, I am going to be drawing of that one also. See, this is the vector of A. Okay, right. Now this is the vector B and it is the angle between these two vectors. See, we are not going to be modifying of this given basic diagram. Okay, right. Now what is the value of this one? See here, up to here, this is the value of A cos theta. It means up to here, from the origin at this position itself only, from this point to up to this point, it is the value of A along B. Okay, otherwise component of A along B, otherwise projection of A on B. In this way also we can say. Next, continuation of this one. Here we are discussing about of the properties of the dot product, I mean characteristics of this one. So here first one we are having one law is there, laws of the dot product, that is the commutative law, law of commutative, that is the A dot of B is equals to B dot of A, right. And the next we are having one more case, that is the law of distribution, distributive law, otherwise the law of distribution. Now see here I am having one, let us consider this lambda is one of the real number. Okay, right. Now lambda dot of A plus B is equals to lambda dot A plus lambda dot of B. In this way we can say. Okay, right. And one more case we can take, that is the A dot of B plus C. In the vector form I am taking. Okay, right. Nowadays I can say this is a value of A dot B plus of A dot of C. The same case here we are taking. Here it is one of the vector notation and it is one of the real number also we can take of this one. Okay, so these are all the properties about of this. Yeah, now we are going to be defining about of this work done. Yeah, as we have said here, the equation for the work done is W is equals to F dot of S. Okay, right. So how we are going to be giving the definition for this one? See here, W is equals to magnitude of F, magnitude of S, and it is the value of cos theta, just like as exactly dot product of the vectors itself only. Okay, this is the case, right. Now in another words we can write off this one, Fs of cos theta, and this is the cosine angle between the force and displacement. Remember this one, this is one of the most important case. Once again I am repeating, this theta is the angle. Which type of angle? Cos angle. This is the angle between the force and displacement. If you are going to be remembering of this one, then it will be very easy to understand the total concepts. Okay, right. Why I am telling of this one exactly, right. Here we are having the 3 points are there, 3 important points are there. This work done may be 0, first case. Second case, this work done may be positive. Okay, right. And the third concept, this work done may be negative. See, these are all the 3 important points. Okay, if you enter into the competitive track, then for example we are having of some 17 joules. So for some work done we are having the 17 joules we are having. Okay, if it is the 0, this is the another case. Now I am talking about of especially of these 2 cases, and we are having the options of 1, 2, 3, and it is the 4th option like this. Okay, right. Here 1 we are having and it is the 17 and it is the plus 17 and it is the minus 17 joules we are having. Okay, anyhow we are 100% we are confirm about of our answer, that is the 17. So it is not the right answer and it is not the right answer. So 50% of the answer we are sure about of our values. 17, but it is the plus or minus. It means here in case of this remaining 50% we are not sure. In that case, how we have to be utilize of our concepts? Is this a positive value or with a negative value? Is it clear? So now I am going to be giving the clarity about of these values only. Okay, right. Now see here. Now I am talking about the first case. Okay, that is 0. When it would be 0, that is the W is equals to Fs cos, yeah, force also is present and displacement also is present, but the value should be 0. How it is? This cos theta becomes as 0. So in which case we are going to be getting the cos value as 0? So theta is equal to 90 degrees. So cos 90 is equal to how much? The value of Fs of 0 is equal to completely 0 we are getting. It means the value of theta is equal to 90 degrees. Simple case, it is the value of F and it is the value of S. Here if it is like this. Okay, generally we are taking the value of displacement is like this and it is the force value like this. We are going to be getting 90 degrees we are getting. Okay, fine.